Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Via Bee's Beauty. Today I'm gonna be creating a makeup look for Halloween. Just another one, a creepy makeup look. No, not really, just a simple one. You know, not everyone has time to get ready for Halloween. I remember last year I was working like a 12-hour shift, and I remember I had to go out from work and run to get my makeup on. So I'm gonna do a simple, quick, easy, nice looking makeup look. So if you're new here, please subscribe, please smash the like button if you like this video, and with that said, let's get on to the video. I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow because basically it's gonna be a very kind of messy orange eyeshadow, and there might be some fallout, so I don't want to be cleaning that after I have all my makeup done. So I'm gonna go for a color orange. I'm actually using the Morphe palette. This is not sponsored, but I am gonna tell you the name is called Heat. So I'm gonna use Heat, and then I'm gonna use Spice to blend that out. So grab a big blending brush, and I'm just gonna dip my color into Heat. You can see it's very pigmented, and that's exactly what we want. So kind of like a pumpkin spice, kind of like a cinnamon color, and we're gonna set that right on top. With a more yellow golden color, we're gonna go just dab. Anyway, we're gonna grab this orange color Heat, and we're gonna bring it down to our bottom waterline. That other brush we were using for the blending, and we're gonna do the same. Since it has a little bit of like that brownish color, that spice color, we're gonna blend that out. This new foundation I just bought, a little more lighter, because honestly my other foundation, well, my other like 3 foundations are really dark because I bought them all in summertime when I was really tan, and obviously that doesn't work right now. This is, oh, it has SPF, so even though we're not getting in the sun, it's good to get obviously some SPF, because even light can hurt your skin. So let's do all that. Get some here, get some everywhere, because we don't want our pimples showing. Contour with this right here. So we're gonna grab, this is the Kat Von D contouring kit. So I'm gonna grab the whitest one with my damp beauty blender, and the same, guys, I'm gonna layer it. You see? Layer that on top. Same for this one. Do this gently. Right, guys? How do I look? With the light shade I'm cleaning on the bottom. Blend all that in. We're gonna grab a very peachy blush, and we're gonna put some blush, because we want some color in our face. Very gently. Put that in there, look, very gently. Very atomy, if you can tell. Right, as you can tell, I'm very peachy. Once we have all this in, guys, we're gonna mist and set with our Max Fix Plus setting spray. so it gets all dewy and it sticks to our faces. What I want to do with this little eyeliner brush, I'm trying to twist it, and I'm going to twist it into this. So we have basically better. Now I'm gonna do little circles underneath my waterline. Inner waterline because we want it on it. Give it a effect. Alright guys, once we have our waterline dark and deep, we're gonna move on to our eyebrows. I'm gonna do lips. Do you like it? Is it pretty? It's coming all together. Oh, it's coming all together. Should we put some lippy gloss or should we put some shimmer? Let's put some shimmer. Just a little bit. And since we're in the colors of like orange, yellowish, we're gonna go for a gold and an orange. So I'm gonna do that very much. It's an angle brush. I'm gonna quickly spritz some of that because that makes it shine through like a cream highlighter goddess. So are we ready for this? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you thought it was a, simple Halloweenish makeup look. It's a very autumny, kind of extreme in a way. I just hope you like this video. I hope you like this look. And honestly guys, I'm so happy that you're here and that you watched this video. So if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I bring out new videos about travel content. I bring vlogs, just daily vlogs here in Barcelona. That's where I live. And yeah, and I bring out makeup looks, whatever I can do. So getting better day by day. I hope you enjoyed. So with that said, I'll see you back in the next video. Love you.